Public Schools District Supervisor, Sir Cesar A. Acevedo. Brilliant School Head of Amubuan Elementary School, Sir Paulino M. Lasso.
Matama ka mo.
GAI, sir. To our ever gorgeous School Head of Palok Elementary School, Dr. Jennifer Ubalin. Equally talented teaching staff of this school, our SPTA President, and other guests, ladies and gentlemen, Naranyag Aballesteros.
Banyak, ma'am.
I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for the warm welcome I received. From the very first day, each of you has shown such kindness, support, and encouragement, which has truly made me feel comfortable and valued. Hindi ko madali ang magsimula ulit sa panibagong environment. But with your friendly smiles, thoughtful gestures, and willingness to help have made the transition not only smooth but also enjoyable. I am truly grateful for the time and effort you've taken to make me feel part of the team. The positive energy and sense of teamwork here are so inspiring, and I can already see why this group achieved great things together. It's a privilege to be surrounded by such talented, dedicated, and welcoming individuals. As I settle in, I look forward to learning from all of you, contributing in any way I can, and building meaningful connections along the way. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I'm truly excited about the journey ahead and grateful to be part of this wonderful family. Once again, this is Razel D. Alquiza, your new Administrative Officer 2, Naranyag Aballesteros, Natarnaw, Amubuan.